Hi everyone, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about how does zinc help in our body. Zinc. Zinc is the most important dietary mineral. Zinc is a nutrient that plays a vital role in your body. Zinc is essential for making proteins and DNA genetic material in all cells. During pregnancy and infancy, the child needs zinc to grow and develop properly. Zinc is a metal. It is an important trace mineral next to iron, essential for our body, and it is a vital mineral for our body. Zinc is found in cells throughout the body. It helps the immune system for fighting invading the bacteria and viruses from our body. Zinc salts. Zinc supplements, liquids, tablets and oral solutions are available in the form of zinc sulfate and zinc gluconate and zinc acetate, and mostly are water soluble zinc salts. And zinc sulfate is cheaper than all these salts and it is widely used. Zinc. The total body zinc content has been estimated 30 millimoles. Skeletal muscle accounts approximately 60% of the total body content, and the zinc concentration of 1.5 to 3 millimoles, that is approximately 30%. Zinc. Our body does not naturally produce zinc and store it. Zinc must be obtained through food or supplements. Constant supply is only through diet only. Zinc uses. Zinc helps in proper growth of skin cells, wound healing, and carbohydrate breakdown, smell and taste, and is essential for child's growth. Zinc is used for mood and cognition, hormone health and blood sugar maintenance, inflammation and immunity, and heart health. Zinc is used for immunity and growth of hair, and all cells need zinc. It helps in defense mechanism, immune system, cell division, cell growth, and protein production. Zinc uses. Zinc accelerates the wound healing, hence used for treatment of burns, certain ulcers and other skin injuries. Because the mineral plays a critical role in collagen synthesis, immune function and inflammatory response. When should I take zinc? Zinc supplements are most effective if they are taken at least 1 hour or before 2 hours. Zinc. Body does not have zinc storage system, good for healthy skin. Zinc oxide is used in sunscreen, acne treatment, skin aging and moisturization cream. Deficiency of zinc leads to altering loss of taste and smell, anorexia, that is loss of appetite, apathy, poor wound healing, and poor night vision, ataxia, uncoordinated movements. Deficiency leads to some form of dermatitis and slurred speech, protacism, impaired cognitive function, impaired memory, decreased immunity, depression, diarrhea, and excessive hair loss, and fine tremor, unintentional muscle movement. Zinc deficiency, that is growth retardation, loss of appetite, impaired immune function, poor night vision, poor wound healing, white spotting on the nail, and hair loss, diarrhea, and delayed sexual menstruation, impotence, hypogonadism, and eye and skin lesions. Excess zinc. It takes more zinc supplementation, 3 to 10 hours it will take diarrhea and affect the iron and copper absorption. Zinc sources. Zinc sources generally vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Generally, non-veg is having more zinc source. In non-vegetarian, shellfish, crab, lobster, egg, meat, liver, and oysters have zinc source. In vegetarian, milks, grains, nuts and dark chocolate, yeast, lentils, low-fat yogurt, chickpeas, spinach, oatmeal, milk, cocoa powder, cashew nuts, tofu, squash seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, almonds, avocado, and flax seeds have zinc source. But generally, non-vegetarian food have more zinc source.